Our goal today was not to use the oven because it's been super hot. And
the rest of the summer, no oven.
Yeah.
Nope, we're done.
We had the oven.
You sure you're ready? Huh? You sure you're ready?
Hey, meal preppers. How you doing this weekend? I hope you're having a fantastic week. We got some super colorful recipes picked by Amy, handpicked by Amy, because I had a super busy weekend watching a lot of my athletes go through a fit challenge. It was pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome, and I loved it. We got some very colorful dishes, as you can see here. Can't wait to explain them to you. And then we also have a slow cooker. Our goal today was not to use the oven because it's been super hot. And
the rest of the summer, no oven.
Yeah.
Nope, we're done.
We had the oven last week, and our AC was just like trying to keep up between the humidity and stuff.
And I'm still hot.
So we're still hot. We did
Got
a lot of yard work. So
we did, yeah.
These were easy. It took us a while because we did some yard work this morning, but I'm going to start with this awesome summer salad, guys. Peach and roasted pecan summer salad. And we decided to kind of beef this up a little bit. We added some quinoa, just to get you a little protein in there. We've got some nutrients as far as adding some asparagus. We combined baby spinach with a spinach mix.
Spring mix.
A spring mix, yep. And then obviously we got some roasted pecans and peaches, which are in season.
Healthy fats.
And then you've got the goat cheese on top, a little bit more healthy fat right there.
There's supposed to be avocados in there too, I forgot.
Oh yeah.
Oops, that's
well,
okay.
We'll do that later.
We're good, we'll just make guacamole with them.
And then this is an easy balsamic dressing. You can make it yourself or...
So a lot of our recipes will include homemade salad dressings. Yep. And if it's just too much, don't make them. Use your favorite bottled dressing. But once you get the hang of it, it is so easy and so much cheaper than buying store-bought and doesn't have all the extra ingredients. This one's a balsamic vinaigrette. It was olive oil, balsamic, a little bit of Dijon mustard, some salt and pepper.
Yeah, you said it tasted awesome.
Tiny bit of maple syrup.
Oh, nice.
And garlic. And it is so good. Like, it is so, so good.
And then we've got these little cups in our store.
Yeah.
If you want to get those off Amazon, it's a really great deal. You get a ton of cups for like a little bit.
Yeah. But if you're like, oh my God, they make all their own dressings, then just don't. Just use one you like. No biggie.
Exactly. Over here we got a traditional pad thai, but it's got a little spin on it because
so it's
inside,
not traditional?
and so it's not traditional. So it's a modern pad thai. It's got some zoodles and squash in there. So we zoodled some zucchini and summer squash, and it's actually in there with the rice noodles. It was a veggie dish, but we added some shrimp to it.
We did. I bought the shrimp just thinking, hey, that sounds good, and I was going to put them in this salad, but I decided to add quinoa instead, so we just added the shrimp to the pad thai.
So a couple ways you can make this. I made it as difficult as possible.
Yes, you did.
I sauteed all my veggies in one pan, decided it was too small, and then moved everything to a bigger pan. You can actually saute all your veggies in one pan, pull those out, put your noodles in, and your
what he's trying to say is he didn't read the directions thoroughly before he started and made it.
Well, you know.
Yeah, just say it. It's okay. It happens.
We saved the Pinterest recipe from being double spaced and a bunch of ads to it, and we made it better.
Yeah.
So,
now this is our recipe now.
Yeah, so we made it better. So there
Onions,
it is.
Carrots, peppers, all the good things.
And then third over here, guys, we got a slow cooker, easy dish right here. Slow cooker Carnitas. It's got there's a couple of tenderized flank steaks under there. You put a rub on there, a lot of different spices, and then just coat it with, or put it on top of, or top it with onions, green and red peppers, and some jalapenos. And that'll just cook up. Once you slice all that up, you got a little bit of
trying some new camera techniques today, guys.
You are just crazy.
I'm exhausted.
Yeah. Chop all that up, obviously put it on some tortillas that you like, maybe some homemade tortillas, maybe some store-bought tortillas. You got some limes you can squeeze on there, put a little bit more cilantro on top.
Sour
if
cream.
You want to add cheese, you can.
Avocado.
I wouldn't do sour cream, I would do Greek yogurt.
Yes, we do.
It's always good. You won't know the difference. Honestly, if you put Greek yogurt on there with everything else, you won't know that it's not sour cream.
And if you want to combine it all together, you can do a little Greek yogurt, avocado, lime juice, and cilantro all in your little mixer, and just make a
little crema
and drizzle it on there, and you're good to go.
That's super good. So that'll cook right up. And that's what we got, guys. Just 3 dishes, kind of back to our norm right now. Hope you love it. Obviously, this is vegetarian. You can make this vegetarian without the shrimp. You can put tofu in there very easily.
The carnitas are definitely not.
Carnitas, let's leave those.
Yes.
Don't make those vegetarian.
Let's not.
Guys, let us know what you love. Definitely comment down below. And have a great weekend, team. Take care.